Some people have allergies because of their parents, while others have allergies that seemingly appear out of nowhere. Ranging in triggers from peanuts to pollen and ranging in severity from a slight discomfort to deadly, allergies are a common condition that can become very dangerous if not tended to. Today we are going to learn why the body produces an allergic reaction, as well as how allergies can be caused by different factors. I'm now talking to Ryan, a geneticist at Track Labs. Are allergies always passed down from their parents to their children?
Not always. Allergies can be passed down from relatives depending on what type of allergy it is. For example, the Tech Museum of Innovation wrote in response to the question, are peanut allergies genetic? In their response, they wrote, first, peanut allergies tend to run in families. If you have a close relative with a peanut allergy, your risk of being allergic to peanuts is 7%. If you don't, then your risk is only 0.5%. This makes them very common because they aren't stopped after one generation.
So how do people get allergies that aren't passed to them from their parents?
Well, the environment can cause allergies or trigger them as well. So if something is caused by the environment, it will tend to affect people living together more. Think about people living near a toxic waste dump. Most of the members of the family will develop whatever illness the dump causes, but that doesn't mean the disease runs in the family, just that they all live next to some awful disease-causing thing. This is the same for allergies.
Intriguing. Thank you so much for the interview.
No problem.
Hello, I'm here with Aditya, professor of medicine at University of California, San Diego. So what are allergies?
So an allergy is an overreaction to a certain particle or substance. So basically what happens is that once a certain allergen is detected, certain antibodies are created. Those antibodies are called IgE, or immunoglobulin E antibodies. So once these antibodies are created, mast cells will start to produce a lot of histamine. So histamine can cause swelling and inflammation. So usually when you see people with allergies or reacting to allergies, you'll see their hands swelling, for example. However, it's not only the skin that starts to swell up. The visceral lining within their body can also swell up. So that means that's why people often have difficulty breathing or have shortness of breath. And severe conditions could be caused through this. So that's why antihistamines are prescribed for allergies.
Interesting. So what can happen when someone has an extremely severe allergic reaction?
A severe reaction could lead to severe consequences. So one possible condition is anaphylactic shock. Symptoms in anaphylactic shock include swelling around the eyes and lips, as well as difficulty breathing. Another condition is pulmonary edema. So in pulmonary edema, fluid fills the lungs, so that will cause an extreme shortness of breath and can often be fatal.
Intriguing. Thanks for talking to us.
No problem.
I'm here with Gia, who has many allergies, some of which include peanuts and eczema. So what's it like dealing with these allergies daily?
Well, I've had allergies throughout my entire life, although they were less severe when I was younger. My grandparents had allergies, so my parents took me in for a blood test. A blood test measures the amount of IgE in your blood in reaction to certain chemicals. So when the test came back, we realized that I had an allergy to peanuts, which was strange because I hadn't had a reaction before then. So I kept eating peanuts thinking that there's nothing wrong. Then one day I was eating peanuts and I fainted from the asphyxiation from the swelling, and I had to be taken to the hospital and I almost died. The doctor said that my IgE production had increased, which led to my allergic reaction to being more severe. So they advised that I buy some antihistamine to reduce the symptoms if I ever had another allergic reaction.
Interesting. Thanks for talking to us. As you can see, there are many different components that go into whether a person gets an allergy or not. Additionally, we have also learned how an allergy is an overreaction of the immune system, causing physical symptoms to the individual. We've also witnessed what it is like to live life with allergies. In conclusion, allergies are a common condition caused by many things that can be very dangerous to an individual. Stop dabbing.
As you can see, Gia is holding us back from completing our mission.
So what is it like dealing with these allergies, Dan?
No, imagine watching this and then you're like, hey, there's an expert reading from the script. There's a host who doesn't know what she's doing. Why don't you post a message then?
No.
Ask him.
Oh, chill. You think everybody's gonna memorize these?
Going to kill someone!
Oh my god. There we were told I had an allergy. Which is strange because it's so what's it like dealing with these allergies daily? Stop!
And there we were told that I had an allergy to peanuts.
I'll cut it out. I'll cut it out. Continue.
Allergies throughout my whole life, although they were less severe when I was younger. My grandparents had.
Hello, I'm here with Aditya, professor of
Disgusting.
medicine at University
Oh my
of
god,
California.
dude, you can't do that. Until one day.
Adios, Hector.
So,
Basically around the face, and as frick.
test measures the.
Aditya, what was so funny?
Aditya, you ruined the thing!
Because you guys are acting as though someone
Why?
died.
Please, for love of
The
everything.
doctors. Wait. Silence.
Okay, ready?
Doing the single lady dance.
If I ever had to eat a peanut again, you know? When you just gotta eat a peanut. Just cut it.
Ah!